Hello and welcome to the screencast on BowFolios. BowFolios is a sample project that we've built in order to help you go beyond the kind of, hello world examples of collections and data manipulation. Um, and the way that we do this is to illustrate one of the most common issues when you're building a realistic system, which is that you're going to have multiple kinds of objects or entities. So we have, in this case, we have profiles of people, we have projects that people work on, and then we have interest areas that people have and interest areas that projects address. Okay, so this is a typical thing where you have multiple kinds of entities in your system, and then they're interrelated, right? So a particular person has some interest areas and some projects. A particular project has some people and some interest areas that they focus on, and then all the interests. We have people and projects, right? They're all interrelated, and as you can see from these 3 pages, you want to be able to retrieve the data in any of these 3 ways. Okay, and so the first time you encounter this, if you've just been used to the hello world kinds of systems that only have one kind of object, this could be bewildering. And so BowFolios is an attempt to go just one step above the minimum, but show you how you interrelate data in a NoSQL or Mongo based backend database environment. All right, so that's what we're going to do. As you can see, we have these 3 top level pages that show these things, and then you can log in. You could sign up if you wanted to, but we won't. We're gonna sign in as a user. I'll sign in as me. The system comes with some default users and default projects and default interests all baked in, so that you don't have to kind of add a bunch of stuff just to see something reasonable. And so, for example, I could say I'm a professor of computer science. So when I log in, I go to my homepage, which allows me to edit some stuff, not everything. So my email I can't edit that. That's because that's in a sense the unique ID for this particular user. And then I could add an interest like software engineering. Now, if I say update, I get this sweet alert which says, yep, the database got updated successfully. And now if I go to profiles, I can see I'm a professor of computer science, and I've added software engineering to my profile. Okay, once you're logged in, you get a home page, which allows you to edit your details. You also get an add project page, which enables you to create new projects. I'm not going to go over that. It's pretty straightforward. But then the last thing is we have a filter page, and this page is designed to illustrate how you can do retrieval on the database based upon some specifications. So if I want to find out, who are the people that are interested in software engineering, I can click that. If I want to say who are the people that are interested in both software engineering and scalable IP networks, I get 3 people. Now Serge has been added, and geez, I don't know if let's see if I can get to all 6. That didn't work. Maybe this one. Now I got 4 people. I don't know. Does this help me get to? Now I got 6 people. All right. So with these 6 interest areas, I retrieve all 6 of the people in the project. So that's the idea of BowFolios. Download it, get it running, click through these pages to make sure you understand and can replicate all of these ideas, and then I'll see you in the next video.